Hello, Papa. Kumusta ka na dyan sa London, Papa?
What a wasted
Ayos naman kami dito, Papa. Kasalukuyan ngayon dito ako sa ating asyenda.
you. All right, no need to shout.
Aking sinusurvey itong ating 300 kilometrong balayan. At kasalukuyan na ito ay nahihinog na, Papa. No worry, Papa. Everything is under control. Yes, boss.
Hello, what's going on? Where are you now?
I'm here in the location what you sent from me.
Okay, good. I hear that you're the best sniper in the Europe. That's why I hired you here. Do you see Bruno?
Yes, boss. I see you.
Okay, just stay where you are right now.
What are you next step? What are you doing to me?
Mapriso ka!
In 1600 hours, you will shoot him.
Yes, I fire him.
Make sure that this time you'll end Bruno's
Yes.
life. Do you understand?
Of course not.
Agay!
Wag na wag kang papalpak.
Yes, boss. Bullseye! Ano to? Nagkalaban na naman ah. Hello, boss.
Hello, what happened?
You don't want to take any medicine for your headache about that man because I bullseye him. Oh, that's so easy. This project is so easy.
Make it sure.
I guess I'm not having a sweat of this one. Yes. Sino yan? Wait, boss. He's coming from me.
Agay!
I did not bullseye him.
What?
Aha. Sino ka? Sino, boss? Ginagawa ko dyan. Lumabas ka dyan.
Bruh.
Ayun. Ayun ba? Pagdalit ako. Sorry ho. May nakita po tayong tao dyan.
Tao? Saan rin? Kaelaan.
Sige.
Ando sa kodok eh. Alam, ito ay nagkain yung sambal.
Yan po ba? Kulang tao. Pero may tae. Kakapagduda. Hindi ko yan ako kanina Ramon. Hoy! Sinasabi ko na nga ba eh. Ang lakas tumakbo ng bro, ha? My God! Naluloko ka sa'yo.
Buhay isang